Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. If you want to modify your judgment of divorce, when should you do it? Well, you have to understand one thing. The court has just spent the time having a hearing, having a trial, hearing witnesses, evidence, all that, and fashioning a judgment of divorce which it signed. You want that thing modified, you don't go back to the judge immediately within a week or two or a month or two after the judgment was just entered. The ink is barely dry. It's not going to work. The court is not likely to modify something that it just did unless there was some sort of procedural irregularity or some fundamental mistake. Not only that, the court's not likely to modify the property division parts of the judgment of divorce. The property settlement is basically a buyer beware situation, and for the most part, unless there was fraud, the court's not likely to modify those provisions. So buyer's remorse isn't going to work here. If you want to modify the judgment of divorce because there's been a significant change in circumstances relating, for example, to the children, or relating to, say, the payment of alimony, you, of course, can do that, and you should bring it to the court's attention as soon as that change in circumstances occurs. In other words, while the court doesn't like an immediate request for modification, that's what the Court of Appeals is for, the court will take into account a change of circumstances that's unexpected, and even if that is sooner rather than later, the court wants to know about those changes as soon as possible. So therefore, if you have a substantial change in circumstances that should result in the court, let's say, changing custody, or changing parenting time, or changing child support or alimony, that's something you should notify the court as soon as that change occurs, as soon as possible. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.